Alright, let's put on our Azure Security Engineer hat and break this down. Think of your network traffic as cars traveling on roads, and route tables are the GPS system telling them where to go. By default, Azure gives every subnet a built-in route table with system-defined rules. These rules help Azure manage traffic between your subnets, virtual networks, and even the internet. Sounds good, right? But what if, as the security expert, you need more control? That's where user-defined routes step in. Let's understand route table basic first. Every subnet in Azure automatically comes with a route table that has default system routes, such as traffic between subnets in the same VNet allowed automatically, traffic to the internet enabled by default if there is no energy blocking it, and traffic to on-premises networks handled if you are using VPN or express route. These built-in routes work fine for most scenarios, but as a security engineer, you know one size doesn't always fit all. Sometimes you need to override Azure's default routing to enforce strict security policies. That's where user-defined routes comes in. Let's understand why UDRs are a powerful tool for managing network security. Using UDR, you can direct traffic through firewalls. In most implementation, you need all outbound internet traffic inspected. With UDR, you can route that traffic through an Azure firewall or another network virtual appliance. This ensures no data sneaks out uninspected. Using UDR, you can isolate subnets. By default, subnets can freely communicate within the same virtual network. But if you want strict isolation, such as web servers can't directly talk to database servers, UDRs let you block or reroute that traffic. Using UDR, you can restrict internet access. Maybe only one subnet should have internet access while others are locked down. You can set up UDRs to ensure traffic is routed appropriately. No accidental internet exposure. Using UDRs, you can add custom routes for hybrid setups. If you have an on-premises environment connected via VPN or express route, you can use UDRs to define the exact path traffic should take, which might reduce latency and improve security. How user-defined routes work? Let's unpack the details. When you create a UDR, you define custom routes that apply to a subnet. Each route includes address prefix, which is the destination range for all the traffic, and next hop type, which indicates where to send the traffic. Next hop type include virtual appliance, virtual network gateway, internet, and none. Virtual appliance send traffic to NVA like a firewall. Virtual network gateway, you can use this for VPN or express route traffic. Internet next hop can help to route traffic directly to the internet, and none next hop block traffic entirely. Azure processes routes in order, starting with the most specific match. If no custom route applies, the default system route kicks in. Let's discuss some of the best practices for using route tables and UDRs in security. You can combine UDRs with network security groups. While UDRs control where traffic flows, NSGs control what traffic is allowed. Use both for layered security. For example, even if UDR send traffic to a subnet, an NSG can block it if it doesn't meet your rules. You should use a central firewall for threat detection. Using UDRs, you can route all outbound traffic through a central firewall or NVA. This allows you to enforce security policies, monitor traffic, and detect threats. You should avoid using overly broad address prefixes in your routes. For example, instead of routing 0.0.0.0/0 for all traffic, define specific subnets or IP ranges when possible. You should use Azure Network Watcher to simulate and test traffic flows with your route tables. This helps you catch any misconfigurations before they cause downtime. If multiple routes apply to the same traffic, Azure will use the most specific match. Double check for overlaps to avoid unintended behaviors. You should keep track of why each route exists. This will save you and your team headaches when troubleshooting or expanding your network. In conclusion, route tables and UDRs give you the precision and flexibility to design traffic flows that align with your security strategy. Whether you are protecting sensitive data, blocking unauthorized access, or ensuring compliance, these tools are your secret weapons in building a secure Azure environment.